Hi, in this short little video I'm going to demonstrate a couple things. One is if you try to create another document using the same name, it will automatically add a number on the end of your file name to indicate a different file name. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my document here so that I can show you how to edit it. All I did to edit that document and open it is just double click it, and that will bring it open so that you can actually edit it and work on it. It'll automatically save it. It has assignment -1-2, and then when I'm done with it I simply can hit the X. And that brings me back to my main OneDrive page, and you can see there's my document there. If you inadvertently create a new document and failed to edit the document that you already started, and you created Word document again, and it's going to create a new Word document at this point in time, and the Office Apps for Word opens up. And let's say I have done some text editing down in here and typed some things, and now I want to save it with a name. And of course, you know to click on that at the top there. And I'm going to call this assignment, just like my other one is called, using the same name again, -1-2, and it will automatically put a 1 on the end, as you can see there. And that now is another file name. I'm going to go ahead and close this. And I'm once again back to my OneNote Home Center page here. And you can see now I have two documents. This was the one I was originally working on. This is one I never tried to work on again. And I tried to use the same name. And it put a 1 on the end of my name so that it could use a reasonable facsimile of that name. And so that's probably why you're ending up with the issue of having two documents, perhaps. I'm going to go ahead and create a folder, and I'm going to call it 21cc, which is what you're supposed to do. And there's my folder. If I was to try to create another folder and call it 21cc, let's see what happens. See, it's already named. You can't have a folder with the same name. It won't put another number on it. So I think what you're finding isn't that you've got two folders named the same. You have two files named the same. And that's why you're a little bit frustrated. Now remember, when you make your shares, you're going to click on it, okay? And then you're going to share the document. You're going to get a link. Anyone with this link can edit this item. That's not what I want. All I want to do is to view it. So I'm untack that. So now I can view it, get a link. This is the link that you will copy and paste into your document for the assignment -1-2. Okay? You can do the same thing with your folder. Click on it, share, get a link. Anyone with this link can edit this item. It's not what I want. I just want to view, get a link. That's going to create the link, copy the link, and this is what you paste as your second link for me in this assignment, so that you'll give me two links. You'll give me a shared link to the assignment. You'll give me a shared link to the folder. And you can deselect these items so that they are no longer being able to be shared, because you can see now that share option left. When I click on that little radio button, it comes up. I can do some things with it. I can share it, I can delete it, I can rename it at that point in time. So those are just some tips. I think what you've done is created two Word documents, and that's why you have now an assignment -1-2-1. And you need a folder called 21cc, not a folder called assignment -1-2-1. I hope that helps.